What is going on? You in the tube. It's your boy Trucker Will, trucking it like always. Big news out of the world of Celadon and all them drivers worrying about not getting paid. $5.4 million wage deal. Next on Trucking with Trucker. Alright guys, so more news out of Celadon. Celadon Group has received authorization by a U.S. bankruptcy court for the District of Delaware to pay more than $5 million to the companies, saying that it owes employees and independent contractors. On Tuesday afternoon, United States Bankruptcy Judge Karen B. Owens approved the motion filed by Celadon Group as part of its Chapter 11 bankruptcy case, authorizing the company to pay $5,444,000 in workforce obligations. A noted corporate bankruptcy attorney advised TNN on the case of Celadon, indicated that the carrier is required by law to seek court approval to be paid its workforce obligations. At the time the mega carrier filed bankruptcy, it reported $3 million in unpaid compensation to employees and $528,000 to independent contractors, as well as $1 million as part of its termination bonus program. Celadon's senior advised President of Finance, Kathleen Waters, argued that employees and independent contractors would suffer further personal hardship if the court did not authorize the carrier to provide compensation that it owes its drivers. Because of the vast majority of employees rely on a large part of it, not exclusively on their own compensation, but benefits to pay their daily living expenses and support their families. These employees and their families will be exposed to significant financial constraints if Celadon does not permit it to pay the accrued and owed portion of its compensation. That's what Waters said. Further, Waters argued that since Celadon drivers are critically important to execute the order wildly down of the business and voided stranded drivers' assets and its customers' cargo throughout the North America, it's critical that the compensation is paid. However, Judge Owens' order does not direct the carrier to make payments as of yet. The debtors and authorizers but are not directed to pay and honor their sole direction to the pre-partition workforce obligation subjected to the arranged maximum during the interim period of $5 million, the judge orders states. On Monday, TNN reported that according to multiple sources with direct knowledge of the situation, Celadon representatives have assured employees that work completed through Wednesday will be paid as normal this Friday, December 13th. So, they're saying that they're going to get a paycheck tomorrow. We'll see about that. Furthermore, employees, including drivers, have been assured that as long as the company will comply with management orders, which includes making financial customers deliveries and returning trucks to appropriate terminals or leasing company, they will receive compensation owed to them. So they're basically saying if you drop the truck off and you complete your load, you're going to get paid. So, as part of the Celadon bankruptcy case, the carrier reached an up to $9 million financial agreement with Blue Torch Finance. Celadon filed a motion asking Judge Owens to approve the arrangement, which included a budget plan to pay the wages owed terminated workers as well as those employed by the company. In the motion, Waters argued post-partition finance is necessary to allow Celadon to wind down in all orderly fashion under Chapter 11, thereby providing value and avoiding its inner harm that will result from Chapter 7 liquidation process. Judge Owens once again agreed and approved the financial deal. Based on the developments, TNN bankruptcy experts say it's likely workers will be compensated, meaning you should get paid tomorrow. Just be aware, guys. You should get paid tomorrow. So, in a nutshell, Celadon drivers, you guys should get a paycheck tomorrow in your bank account. You should be able to see your settlements if you're an owner, operator, lease operator. And if you are a company driver, you should be able to see your paycheck tomorrow as long as you follow the guidelines that they wrote out, whatever. hopefully you'll be able to get your paycheck, and hopefully all y'all drivers were able to get home. Hope you guys are still not out there dealing with this bull crap, because it's just a damn shame that it's got to go down like this. Hopefully you guys got to find a better job, find a place to go, find a new home where you can get back and making that money, and it's not too much of a heartache right off jump. You know, be blessed, y'all, less stressed, and Godspeed, and you guys will find another job, and you'll be out here running, and this is just a little bump in the ever so bumpy road of trucking. Be blessed, less stressed, keep the left door closed, right foot down, only when it's safe. And that is a news update from Celadon. I will see y'all out there. Later.